Looking ahead from a product development standpoint is important in a number of different levels. The reason that we were excited about this capstone project is we as a company are continuing to grow into the management of complex lung disease. And you can't do that with just products. You have to figure out new ways to extend into that patient population and to serve these patients. And with a group like this, you have an opportunity to get really a fresh look.
The 99P Labs loves to engage with student innovators. We want to see how they see the world. We want to know what products, what services, what ideas resonate with them. We can come up with our own ideas, but in working with these students, especially the ones from Carnegie Mellon, you get this sneak peek into this world that maybe you hadn't yet experienced yourself.
One of the main reasons that an idea fails is because there's not a customer who desires it, or you're not addressing a problem correctly. And so one thing you find a lot with corporate innovation is ideas that are sprung from somewhere internally, but no one's really checked for that real-world value or done that kind of data-driven approach.
The part of today that surprised me is just how comprehensive the solution was and the work that the team did on this capstone project. They talked about initial estimates in order to build out an MVP, minimum viable product, how they might test this solution, and then ultimately these different revenue streams that could be generated from this solution.
The value that we Canon got from this project was the interactive communication and discussion with this team. So we actually are discussing internally that we could make this project as an internal business process to communicate with the students and come up with the idea to put into our real business process.
We decided to sponsor 2 teams this year because we were so excited about what was produced last year. One of my jobs as the Strategic Partnerships Manager is to highlight these programs within Volvo. And when I took what we did last year to the greater Volvo audience, we had so much interest in it that we ended up needing to sponsor 2 teams because it was so exciting, and we were so excited to do it, and I couldn't say no, because why would you? So we ended up sponsoring 2 teams.
They made a process that we are probably implementing for the customers, dealers, and Volvo. I mean, it streamlined the communication between everybody we work with, all the stakeholders, and I love where they went with it.
For us, the III Capstone Project is a culmination of design, business, and engineering. All comes together to create a product for a specific customer solving a specific need, all of which are known and fully researched.
The value in an organization engaging in this capstone process is very much around having fresh eyes evaluate old questions. I think that the capstone team punches above its weight class, and for the investment that we made in it and the ongoing investment that we made in terms of interacting with the teams, I believe strongly that you're going to learn things, whether it's commercially actionable or not. It adds to your understanding.